Today I'm cooking a simple and delicious vegetable soup for my family. This is a clean and very healthy soup. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 330 grams of silken tofu, 350 grams of Chinese cabbage, stem and leaf separated, 600 ml of pork broth, 50 grams of dry glass noodles, soaked for 20 minutes, 65 grams of wood ear mushroom cut into small pieces, 140 grams of chicken slices, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 4 pieces of shiitake mushroom, and 2 stalks of spring onion. Start with boiling the pork broth. Switch on the heat to high. Put in all of the pork broth. Add in sesame oil, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and all of the pepper. Stir until seasoning are all dissolved. Add in the shiitake mushroom, wood ear mushroom. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. This will take about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, marinate the chicken with salt. Sprinkle and rub the salt on the chicken. Alright, leave it aside. Next, cut the silken tofu. First, make a small hole here at the bottom of the block. Make one more so that it's easy to remove the silken tofu from the packaging. Remove the plastic seal. Flip it face down so that the tofu can come out easily. Oops, it is still a little stuck in the box. Use a spoon to scrape it. There is a bit of damage to the tofu. Cut it into smaller blocks. Alright, the tofu is ready. Next, cut the glass noodles. Cut it into half and put it back into the bowl. When soaking the glass noodle, try not to mix the bundle, as it is easier to cut the glass noodle when they are intact like this. Leave it aside. After 5 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Open the lid and put in the marinated chicken. Spread the chicken pieces to evenly cook them. Continue to stir for about 30 seconds or until the chicken has changed to a pale color. Add in all of the Chinese cabbage stem. Cover the lid and continue to cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously again. Open the lid and give it a stir. Add in all of the glass noodles, the silken tofu. Give it a couple of stir and continue to cook for 1 more minute. After 1 minute, the tofu and glass noodles should be cooked. Give it a taste. Delicious! The soup is really sweet. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it is really perfect. Lastly, add in the Chinese cabbage leaf and the spring onions. These 2 vegetables cook really fast. Once it gets soaked in the hot soup, it will become soft very quick. Give it a couple of stirs. Switch off the heat. The residual heat from the soup will continue to cook the cabbage leaves and the spring onions. Next, add in half of the crispy fried shallots for a lovely fragrance. That is all. The delicious soup is ready for dinner. Sprinkle the crispy fried shallots. It looks so yummy. Let's eat! Wow! The soup is so tasty with natural sweetness from the vegetable. It will go well with rice or as is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!